No. Right, ladies and gentlemen, mainly gents, as we discovered the other
Yes.
day. We won't keep doing that because that comes on every video now.
Yes.
Just so everybody's aware, we have a nice little bee in the corner on the window there. So Jacob will keep getting distracted by this bee because he don't like them. But little does Jacob know, bees are our friend.
Yes.
Bees aren't going to bother us.
No.
Right then, Jacob. So we are currently sat looking at a Zenoa. Your Zenoa 32.
Yes.
And I must admit, mate, what an engine. I mean, look
Wow.
inside. It's brand new. So this engine is 3 years old.
Today or?
No, it's just 3 years old in general. So, I don't know if you can see the pattern on top of the piston there. This is what we're going to discuss with Jacob this morning. So, see the pattern there, the burn pattern they call this? You want that as centralised as possible. So, that's your exhaust there.
Yeah.
That's your intake. There are your transfers.
Yeah.
So, you get a no bang where the transfers are, because your fuel's coming in.
Yeah.
You get a none where the intake is. Yeah, intake, because there's no, that's where the fuel's coming in.
Yeah.
And what you can see, look, is it's shifted quite a bit backwards as the burn pattern. So towards the exhaust port, you see that? Now, that is a natural reaction, to be fair, from there to there. Now, what's not natural is you see this bit. It's more chunky than that side.
Yeah.
Guys, can you see that? This bit here is not the natural bit. Now we have to ask why that's there. So naturally, I've looked at that piston and gone, piston ring. Do you know why?
Why?
Because look, where that is right where your ring gap sits. So my theory is what's happening, because the piston ring's small and shrunk, it's not closing the gap round the ring pin. Is that what that's called? Have I just made that up?
No, I think that's what it's called.
So yeah, that's the it's not making the seal around the ring pin, which is where that's escaping from. So we do have a new ring, but we're going to run the old one for now because it's only 0.2 out, which isn't too bad, to be honest. We're going to get Jacob to put it all back together, clean it off. We're going to take it out and run it, and then he's going to try a little bit of something on the field. Right, so take it away, you. To talk you through it, so I'm not going to do it because I'm going to let you have a go. So you find your ring pin up there, and you get it so it's close as there, look, see? And you just sort of stretch it round, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, what we're doing here, guys, is just so you know, is we're just lightening up the flywheel a little bit. Everybody says don't do it, but I'm doing it, and we'll see what happens. "10 minutes lost due to me being an idiot and losing things." That's one of the knuckle guys already.
Can't really say no.
That's when I slip with a drill.
It's the Waitrose accent, isn't it? Good grief.
That's what happens when you get old.
Hope you're alright. It's Radio 1 Anthems right now.
You don't simply fall over,
What are you doing?
you have a fall.
100, 100.
And I think what we'll do, guys, is whilst Jacob's doing all of this, obviously I'm going to keep on with the actual setup of the buggy and whatnot, but we'll take the head off here, because that is a repaired reed head, what Carbon did. So it'd just be interesting. I literally tried to blow that up and it didn't, so it'd be interesting to see what it looks like on the inside. Luckily, I say luckily very loosely. In fact, I'm going to get the camera to say this one. Right, I say luckily very loosely on the kill switch, because Jacob actually lost the other half of his kill switch and I lost my temper with the half of mine, which was the other half to what Jacob's got. So luckily Jacob lost his, so I've now got spare. Oh my lord, we're still filming! Follow me! Jacob, don't chew on that. You know, when I was 11 years old, guys, I'm probably the same for a lot of you. I was eating bogies, making tree houses, making mud pies, playing football, worms, eating them. Lemmings, oh my god, remember Lemmings, guys? Lemmings and worms on the PlayStation, was doing all that. Yeah, Jacob here, at 11, is just casually building up his own race engine. You know, each to their own, boys, you know what I'm saying?
Wire. And then Coil Papa needs to get the rotters out of this tray.
Yeah. Now, on the coil spacing, Jacob, you know my trick, don't you?
Yeah.
What's my trick?
I know.
Oh, you just agreed that you knew it. It's a good job I questioned you, isn't it? Otherwise you'd never bloody, you wouldn't have known.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, let me. Alright, let's get on camera. So, what I want to tell you, look at me. There is no shame in going, no, I don't know that. What is it? Because what happens is, when you pretend you know something, and you don't know it, and you try doing it, then something gets broke. So you always need to ask, yeah?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show you the trick again.
I had the good business card bit.
Well, everybody does a business card, but I don't.
I'm pretty sure you can double.
I double it. Because...
More bang.
No, it don't. It's all to do with how the flywheel sits. And all I have to do, mate, is I put my card on first. Oh, you need to spin that. Let it spin there. Just for a bit.
Let's again, and you've got that one's pretty much gone.
So you do that, then you set your gap in. Go one and see what it does.
Yeah.
So we'll go one. You set that in there, and all you do is you drop this on top of that, and it'll stick to the magnet to clamp everything in, and then you just position it onto your washers. You need your washers on the back. Isolated washers, yeah?
Yeah.
Why do we need them, do you know?
No.
Because what happens is the electric through there shorts out to the engine and makes it. We have a selection of carburetors to go with. Now Jacob has actually he did his own 1107 last year, self pop-off modded it, and all the rest of it, and I tell you what, it's been one of the best cards we've had, hasn't it, mate?
Yeah.
In fact, not one of, it's the best card we've had. I swear by it, and this is it. I know it's his because we've been writ on it to say that's Jacob's.
Yeah.
But yeah, he sat there, learned all the lessons, watched the videos of how to take one to bits and fully service it, and then went, well, whilst I'm in here, might as well put pop-off mod in, and a dad. Do it.
I'm sure she hasn't been run for a while, has she?
No, she hasn't, has she?
Yeah, I feel like it's been 2 years since she hasn't been run.
It's not. I'll tell you when this is last run was. The last day of running was the first day we got a Carb 35 motor, a 34 motor in our hand.
What? When was that?
Before Christmas. Just before Christmas.
It feels like it's been forever.
That's nearly 6 months, mate.
What?
We've got a treat for the pig. The pig's had loads of treats recently, but she don't deserve them because she's just been a little sod. But I figured if we keep treating her nice, she might return the favour
Yeah.
and treat you nice.
Yeah.
Oh, these are nice, look.
Ooh.
These are available on my website, by the way.
Very shiny.
Just an extra bit of strength around the diff. Very nice. Very nice indeed, and they get supplied with all the new fixings as well. Very good.
Very good.
Very, very good. Right, I'm back over here. Told me a rule that they work by down in their place with Darren Longford, Sushil, all the boys down there. And we are introducing this rule as of today, Jacob.
Yeah.
Right now.
Okay.
We don't use old bolts.
Okay.
You know, you said to me about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't do that anymore.
Okay.
New bolts, everything, every
Yeah.
time. Once it's been used once, the bolt's in the bin. Or we'll put it in the big tub and it's there as an emergency, you know?
Yeah.
Look at this Bobby Dazzler. All built up by Jacob.
Yeah. Good compression.
Wow. Oh, mate, what are you doing in there?
I do not know. Oh, I've done it put it together, like you
That's
said.
gonna pop, 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 bang, 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 pop, 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 pop. We found the problem, far too much fuel. She's just popped and banged and ran out of fuel, so we're starting back from zero. I'm gonna go off, one, and a bit, and let's see where that goes. That just came alive. Look at it. Oh, we haven't got a wheel nut. Oh, we didn't do any of the wheel nuts. We just put them on loose, didn't we? Oh, I bet you haven't packed it. Hey. Oh, chuck the wheel back on. Let's have a quick nip home, tighten the wheel nuts up, bring it back. Shall we leave the thing set up? What do you reckon? Shall we leave it up, yeah? Mate, what do you reckon to how fast that bloody thing went? You've just built that today.
That's dead fast.
That's pretty good, wasn't it? Yeah, nice work, mate.
Yeah. The
Right.
engine's good. It's been a while since I've had a zen32.
That was promising. Just gonna go and get some tighten the wheel nuts on, bring it back, and then we'll do some testing. Right, so we've just stopped for what, 10-15 minutes, Jacob?
Yeah.
Shall we get a pull?
Yeah.
First pull, do we reckon?
Yeah.
Whoa, Jacob. Careful. Just so you get our brake to it, so I'm going to go right into the corner, brake power. Yeah? Oh. No, he's happy again. It's still revving out high though. Bring it back in.
How long are you going to be here with these, mate?
Oh, not long by the looks of that.
You killed it.
It's just fucking gone, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, well. Right then guys, so a little bit curiously balanced the phone here over a hot tub. Time to reflect on today's findings. I think what we've learned, mate, massively, is you can bloody build an engine.
Yeah.
I think you'll agree with us here guys. Jacob smashed that build to bits, pulling like a good one. Servo let us down.
Yeah.
I don't think we've got anything to be disappointed about today. That run like a trooper.
Yeah.
Proving a point that when we do the next bit of the mod, we'll see what difference it makes. and your orange one.
Yeah.
Again, run really well
Yeah.
to start with. Quite warm and put out. So I think we're leaking air or fuel somewhere around the car somewhere. I don't know where. For now, we're going to take that out, aren't we, mate?
Yeah.
And what we're putting in?
The Reed 34.
OBR Reed 34 in Jacob's orange one. Maybe a few upgrades there and there to come as well. I don't know. What's your thoughts on that? What are you doing with them blue ones?
I think I've already got your blue all in one answer brake set, brake machine.
Yeah. Got great.
Yeah. I started that.
And the hubs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got a few little bits going on there, ain't you, mate?
Yeah.
I'm hoping I can figure out a servo somewhere before long and get one on that pig again. But it was a second-hand servo, mate, so we can't really complain, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, good day all in, mate.
Yeah.
Big fist.